Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, lived a husband and wife named Oliver and Lily. They were both explorers who loved discovering new things. Oliver was a scientist who studied plants, while Lily was an artist who painted beautiful landscapes. Every weekend, they embarked on exciting adventures together. They would hike through lush forests, climb majestic mountains, and explore mysterious caves. Along the way, Oliver would teach Lily about the different types of plants they encountered, and Lily would sketch the breathtaking scenes they came across. Their love for each other and their shared passion for exploration made their bond stronger with each adventure they undertook. They faced challenges together, like navigating through thick jungles or finding shelter during sudden rainstorms. But no matter the obstacle, they always supported each other with a smile and a helping. And so, Oliver and Lily continued their explorations, spreading joy wherever they went. They shared their stories with the children of the town, inspiring them to chase their dreams and always support those they loved. As time went on, their love story became a legend that was passed down through generation. And so, Oliver and Lily continued their explorations, spreading joy wherever they went. They shared their stories with the children of the town, reminding everyone that love and adventure were the most precious treasures of all.